Good morning. It is the first day in Malta. We got it yesterday. I didn't film anything, so today is the first day. Whoa! And we just got up early this morning to come down to the seafront, and I am just about to send the drone up. That's good. And actually, before I do that, check this place out. Oh, Tom found it. Don't know what it used to be, but you can go in here. Yeah. There's a old toilet. So yeah, it must have been like a little Coast Guard thing. Pretty nifty. So we just finished flying the drones. I haven't flown mine since November-ish time, so 3 or 4 months. So that was really good to get her out. I always forget how fun it is and just how much of a great tool it is. But now we are going back to the apartment to grab some shizzle, and then we're going to go inquire about renting some bikes for the week. We're just heading on down to the bus stop. Got to get a bus about 30 minutes away to go to the bike place. Apparently the buses are super cheap here, so that's good. And then we got bikes for the rest of the week. Perfect way to explore this little island. And we are off the bus, heading to get our bikes. Just realised that I had the wrong date and time set on this fucking app, so ignore me. It's not the 3rd of February 2019. It is the 4th of March. Let's go get some bikes. We're getting mopeds, but they usually bring them down from the next town across or something, but they're too busy, so we've got to go get them. Typical. So we're just going to get some breakfast and then go get the peds. So when you go to another country, you know you've got to try out the fine dining. You know where we're heading. Cheap and cheerful. Great success. McDonald's chips for breakfast. Gotta love that vegan life. Now we're just gonna go finish off the contract for the bikes, and we're gonna go pick them up. Hey, change the plan again. Apparently some guy in a Mazda is gonna come pick us up and take us to our mopeds. Apparently, yeah, we hope. Yeah, or rape us. Probably won't put that in the vlog. Hello. We made it to Baron Car and Bike Services. Picking up 2 mopeds to share between the 4 of us. Buzzing. Here they are. Gorgeous. Our beds for the next few days, as styled by Mike. That girl was laughing at you. Let's do it. I've not ridden a moped since the summer, and these are a little bit more powerful, so I'm a little nervous, but let's do it, let's do it. Oh, that was so fun. All we did is drive up the road, but it was a great idea getting these peds. Look at that helmet. I am a style icon of the century right now. But yeah, we're just going to map somewhere good to go and then head there. It's a shame I can't really film on the ped that much, but we'll work it out. We'll get the drone out and stuff this week. Let's go, let's go. So we just popped back to grab some chargers and stuff. We're going to go out to this little red castle on top of the hill, get some drone footage. We've not actually filmed anything today, so we're behind on that. Let's go! We're just riding around Malta and just bumped into Anakin Skywalker. Made it. Didn't go very far. But we've just come to the top of the nearest hill to us to have a look at this. Ah, this selfie thing is killing me. Little castle. And there are some bunkers behind the tree. So we're just going to probably send the drones up and get some gimbal shots, because we've not really been to see any landmarks yet, so it's time to get filming. Tom is already in exploring and planning a music video. Those are eggs, massive eggs. Do you reckon they're dinosaur eggs? Go on. Massive! Look at the head! What do you reckon it is?
I want to crack it.
Do it. Do it.
That's a fat yoke.
You must be yoking. This place is crazy. I've seen a few markings on the walls that say 1999, so it's been here for a long old while. And yeah, we're gonna head here next. And we've just been flipping around with the drones and the gimbal. We're getting loads of shots with my camera, enjoying it.
See, I like an open plan feel. No doors or windows. We haven't cleaned the pool recently, but it's still great for a lovely dip in the summer. I mean, we've got tents in there, we've got everything you need to have fun in the pool.
Some of the artwork in here is next level. We were going to leave, and then we found this extra bit, and now I just want to get my drone out. I'm going to get the gimbal out and smash it. Hello. On and on and on. Pretty incredible views though. It's been a fun afternoon exploring this place, but I think it's time to move on. So we came to the top of the hill to film this castle. Not gonna lie, I'll probably give it a 2 out of 10. Close refurbishment. Indoor swimming pool and whatnot. But yeah, I've been filming for a good 4 hours now. So I'm gonna go get some food. We've only had breakfast and it's 4 o'clock. Classic. And we're back in the apartment and gonna make some food. Got me Abby. Whoa! And then we're gonna be going out on a night mission after some lunch. Yes, so we just had our dinner. Now we're heading back out to catch sunset. We've got about 30 minutes. We're gonna head back up to the hill we were just at and set a few time lapses up on the drones and the cameras. Let's get it. Just got up here after the bumpiest moped ride, and this is set to be one of the greatest sunsets I've ever seen, man. I love watching the sunset over the ocean. Check it. Yeah, buddy. So, get the drone up and whoa, you like my face? Get the drone up and then yeah, also get a time lapse on my camera. Let's get it. So we've got the tripod set up with the intervalometer. Nice little time lapse going. F7.1, get all the detail, and I'm now going to set the drone up and send that off for the last bit. So, as usual, I always underestimate how quick the sun is going to go down, and it took about 6 minutes. Didn't even get the drone up in time. It kept telling me to calibrate the compass, it wasn't working. I think it's because of this radio tower, so never mind, I'll try again tomorrow. Still happy about a time lapse. And yeah, I think we're going to call it a day now. It's been an amazing first week. We've been blessed with glorious sunshine, so hopefully that continues. But yeah, thanks for watching, and on the morrow, scrap that. We're going to get one more shot before the light goes. Check this out. There's the boys getting ready to do their drone, and yeah, you got to cross this flipping crevice. Oh, Sam's gone for it, no worries. Let's make a deep boot. Right. I mean, it's easy, but it's just scatty, isn't it? Awesome. Well, that is really me done for the day now. Enjoy this view, and see you on the morrow.